Hello everyone. Today we will discuss about our new topic, that is fundamental rights of constitutional law. The fundamental rights are described in part 3 of the constitution from articles 12 to article 35. First of all, remember that fundamental rights are defined under part 3 of our constitution in article from 12 to 35. Then the fundamental rights are guaranteed by the constitution to all persons without any discrimination. Clear? Here the term all person means whether our citizens or foreigners. Fundamental rights uphold the equality of all individuals. Secondly, fundamental rights provides dignity to the individuals. Dignity of the individual. Fundamental rights are meant for promoting the ideal of political democracy. So, remember that fundamental rights are named because fundamental rights are guaranteed and protected by the Constitution, which is the fundamental law of the land. मीन्स अगर हमारे माइंड में क्वेश्चन आता है फंडामेंटल राइट नेम क्यों रखा गया इन राइट्स का, देन द रीजन इज दैट दीज राइट्स आर प्रोटेक्टेड बाय आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन एंड आवर कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन इज फंडामेंटल लॉ ऑफ द लैंड. सो दीज राइट्स आर known as fundamental rights. Clear? After that, originally the constitution provides 7 fundamental rights. Originally we have 7 fundamental rights. First right is right to equality, that is article 14 to article 18. One by one we will discuss in details all these fundamental rights, but first of all remember that the right to equality, first fundamental right is right to equality, article 14 to article 18. After that, second is right to freedom, article 19 to article 22. Then right against exploitations, article 23 to article 24. Then right to freedom of religion, article 25 to article 28. Next is cultural and educational rights, that is article 29 to article 30. Last fundamental rights, it is right to property, article 31, and right to constitutional remedies, article 32. But remember that article 31, that is right to property, was deleted by our constitutional 44th Amendment Act 1978. 44th कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट में राइट टू प्रॉपर्टी आर्टिकल 31 को डिलीट कर दिया गया. ओके, नाउ इट इज मेड अ सिंपल लीगल राइट. फंडामेंटल राइट से ये हटके सिंपल लीगल राइट रह गया है अंडर आर्टिकल 300A इन पार्ट 12 ऑफ द कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन. सो एट प्रेजेंट वी हैव ओनली 6 फंडामेंटल राइट्स. Clear? Now after introduction, next is features of fundamental rights. It's a very important features of fundamental rights. First feature, some of the fundamental rights are available only to the citizens while other are available to all person. All person here means citizens, foreigners plus our legal person. Legal person includes our companies and corporations. Second features of fundamental rights. Fundamental rights are not absolute but qualified. It means the state can impose reasonable restriction on fundamental rights. However, whether such restrictions are reasonable or not is to be decided by the courts. सेकेंड फीचर्स है कि फंडामेंटल राइट्स एक एब्सोल्यूट राइट नहीं है. अगर स्टेट चाहे तो वो उस राइट्स पे कुछ रीजनेबल रिस्ट्रिक्शंस को लगा सकती है. बट विच टाइप ऑफ रीजनेबल रिस्ट्रिक्शन, these are decided by our courts. Second is, some of the fundamental rights are negative in characters while others are positive in nature and conferring certain privilege on the persons. Next is, fundamental rights are defended and guaranteed by the Supreme Court under Article 32. Clear to you? Then the fundamental right can curtail or repeal the Parliament can curtail or repeal fundamental rights but only by a constitutional amendment act and not by any ordinary acts. पार्लियामेंट के पास पावर है फंडामेंटल राइट्स को कर्टेल करने की, बट ओनली बाय अ कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट से. अमेंडमेंट्स, आप कॉन्स्टिट्यूशनल अमेंडमेंट्स को हम अपने नेक्स्ट वीडियोस में कवर करेंगे, एंड नॉट बाय आवर ऑर्डिनरी एक्ट्स. देन नेक्स्ट इज, फंडामेंटल राइट्स कैन बी सस्पेंडेड during the operation of a national emergency except the rights guaranteed by Article 20 and Article 21. Further, the 6 rights under Articles 19 में 6 rights guaranteed हुए हैं, जो हम अगली वीडियोस में डिस्कस करते रहेंगे वन बाय वन. Further, the 6 rights guaranteed by Article 19 can be suspended only when emergency is declared on the grounds of our war and external aggression. Only on 2 grounds. First is our war and the second one is our external aggression, and not on the ground of armed rebellion. Thank you so much. Next we will cover on our next video.